Harvesting the wheat so bright, making yummy bread tonight. We're taking the wheat to the mill today to grind the flour for pizza, hooray! Shake, shake, shake the flour sieve, making a treat for us to live. Mix it up and roll the dough, pizza time, ho, ho. It's rising like magic. Soon we'll have yummy bread. Yum, yum, yum. These red tomatoes will make a yummy pizza sauce. Chop the tomatoes nice and small. We're making a yummy pizza sauce for all. A little pinch of salt, stir it well. Mmm, that is delicious. Mmm, this cheese is delicious. Perfect for the pizza. Roll, roll, roll the dough, make a perfect circle. Time for yummy pizza now, cheesy, crisp, and golden. Spreading the yummy sauce on the pizza, la 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 la. Mmm, it tastes so good. This pizza smells so good already. I can't wait to bake it and eat it all up. Fresh basil and oregano make the pizza smell so yummy. Now it's ready for the oven. Here it comes, fresh from the oven. Let's slice this yummy pizza. Yay, pizza! This looks absolutely perfect. Who wants the first slice? Here you go, everyone. Dig in. I'm so happy you like my pizza. All that hard work making the pizza was worth it. This is delicious! Pizza time is done, the setting sun. Cleaning up is lots of fun. Scrubbing the bowls, shiny and clean. Making the dishes sparkle and gleam. Yum, 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 these tomatoes grow. Water them now so we can make pizza, oh. Soon we'll have fresh flour for future pizzas. Let's see, what should I put on my pizza? Cheese, veggies, and maybe some herbs. I'm mixing these yummy herbs in the oil. Let's see. Mmm, that's delicious. I made this pizza just for you. Come and get it. Just like that. Gently roll it out. Tee-hee, look at the flour fly. Very good. Making pizza is fun. Wow, this flavor is richer. Mmm, delicious! Peppers and mushrooms and tomatoes too, making a happy pizza just for you. The fire is roaring and the oven is nice and hot. Soon we can bake the most delicious pizza ever! Slicing up the fruit, adding honey sweet. A yummy pizza, what a treat! Baking a yummy fruit pizza treat, cooking in the oven with the farmyard heat, golden brown and smelling sweet. Look, everyone! Fresh fruit pizza for all my farm friends! Look at this yummy pizza I made!
Wow, thank you, Monkey. It's delicious.
So good! Harvesting the wheat, picking tomatoes, grating the cheese. Baking pizza is the best.